Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry goat with food, aka dumpling, banana, yam, potato, all kind of something. Now family, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today. I'm gonna tell you what happened. I had my outfit of the day already, and then when I realized, hello, you're eating curry, I said, not no curry on my outfit, and I didn't have time to come up with another one real quick, so I just put this on, but you'll have an outfit of the day tomorrow.
Your problem, that?
My problem, that for real. Ooh, see what happens?
Somebody won, it's all good. Just barbecue sauce, family. All right. Okay, let me eat first before I will share first.
So I'm gonna be honest, this is my first time making curry goat with dumpling and banana, aka food. And I don't know why.
Okay.
I just said I feel like eating some dumpling and banana with it today. But I do love my rice. How it taste with dumpling and banana?
Tastes just like the same way. Just with dumpling and banana. Nothing. I'll put some grace during the race. Yo, why everything is dropping like that, D?
It's hot.
Some grace. You know what? All right, family. I had to taste it. You know I like my first taste for y'all. Okay.
It's my favorite part is taking the yuca or the banana and smashing it up in the gravy. Oh my.
Look at this nice piece of that coat. Scrumptious. See? It's alright, they don't go. They know what gold look like already. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
You showed them you always take it back fast.
I know what gold look like already, man. Wow.
It's very good.
Don't be just nice and just cut through someone.
Calm it too, no?
Calm in I too.
Put calm in another dumpling. Wow. Oh my. Ooh.
And yes, this dish you could get at Jamaican store too. But if you want a dumpling with it, just tell me you want a dumpling with it, okay? But we love the rice. We gave you rice and peas the other day.
We gave it to you guys Monday. Today's Wednesday. And the goat is nice and soft.
Yo, why my dumpling keep running off the damn fork, yo?
That's what was going on over there?
Yeah. Yeah, the goat is nice and soft.
Nice and soft. So family, as usual, I give myself 3 dumplings, don't know why. Because I know she's gonna come.
You know, I'll give you a teeth, you know? Okay, I get an idea.
Yeah, man.
We got something coming for y'all though, family. I hope y'all like it when it comes. You know?
Okay.
Yes, I'm drinking watermelon and I know you don't like watermelon. So what? It's a drink. I just don't like the fruit. Family. I'm just gonna eat today.
For real.
Yeah. Just eat. Y'all can talk, I'm listening to what y'all say. Be listening, I'm just gonna eat today. Just enjoy.
So good.
This.
I'm getting my gravy. Yeah?
Family, what I don't understand is this. Why in the world ox steals so much money and there's so much cows in the world? Tom?
I don't know it.
How many dumplings you give me?
How much dumpling you asked for?
4. So but you said you gonna give me something else.
I give you a piece of yuca and banana. Ooh. The drop.
New York in the buildings. What up? New York, son. So we got with it in the building for life.
You alright today?
Yeah, I got to show rep New York, you know. First place I was living from, I came from Jamaica.
Me too.
Came from Jamaica.
Straight to the Bronx.
Straight to the BX. I spent basically all my life in New York. Till we turned a Floridian. But yeah, and why what it is for us, you feel me?
I'm trying to get the gravy down here. It's running. Running.
Where some of y'all came from? Like you're from the island, where you migrated from? To live at? Let me know.
You'd be surprised, a lot of people
Yeah.
are from different islands.
Yeah. Different island and then
Different places.
different places.
And they come to America.
Let us know.
What country was you born before you came to America?
Yeah. Just like that.
If you spent your whole life in America, do you have family
Yeah.
that migrated from a different country?
Yes. Let us know. I would love to know. I'm nosy too. I always ask you where y'all from, right? Yeah, because I'm nosy. Damn. The juice is all in that bone, B.
This is really good.
Yeah. You cook it good.
Thank you, honey. If you ever have a chance, eat it with some dumpling and banana.
Yo, why you not over my plate, my youth? Bite up on your fridge. Man, I'm mistaken for my food, yeah?
Shoot, for real. I don't put it past you either.
Cause you know some love bite already. Little bite for him. Yeah, family. Yeah. Really? Oh no.
Ooh.
That's not true. That is not true.
Like I can't get my gravy, man.
Just wipe it over.
It's making me mad.
Wipe me down. Got banana. This is nice. Well soft.
So, for the family member that was asking, this is why we eat with a wooden spoon, so that you don't hear this.
Yep.
Because that can be annoying. You know?
And when we're eating something like this, like dumpling, you need a metal fork to cut the dumpling.
Exactly.
So that's why we do it, you know?
Have a napkin, honey?
I gotta get that.
Or a drop?
I'll soon come back.
Ooh.
I'm back.
Listen, we try our best to eliminate certain things that can be annoying because we're already annoying already. So we don't want to be annoying.
Yep. Hurry, boy. Yep. So
My husband is annoying.
that's why. So we do the wooden and then the
Sometimes.
metal.
Sometimes.
Yeah. Sometimes.
We alternate.
Alternate. Yeah.
I give you enough gravy?
I told you. When you quiet, sure, I eat. When I'm eating, I'm taking my time. Cause they be say take my time to eat my food.
Especially when you're eating fish, that's a problem. That's when they want you to take your time the most. You see how dark the curry is? That's how it should be.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be white. Have a nice dark color to it.
Curry dark and lovely. Like the ear.
Like to hear.
This goat is so soft, yo. Appreciate you going for the sacrifice to come make it go in the belly.
I put my foot in this goat.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna lie.
You ain't cap. Good. That's wrong.
Really, really good.
Huh? That's good. really good.
So you guys had a good day today?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Talk to them because I'm being quiet. I'm gonna be quiet today. Day is fine. Always. It's even better when they start watching.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all watching. Okay?
Always.
And y'all watch far too. We could see how far y'all watch. So we appreciate.
By the comments.
Yeah, we appreciate you,
Yeah.
you, all of y'all. By the comments, when we see how far y'all reach in the video, we appreciate that. Huh?
Sometimes you guys be reminding us what we be saying.
Exactly. Sometimes we forget.
Because
For real.
nothing is scripted. It's just off the dome.
Sometimes we forget. Like.
So I'll be like, when did I
Sometimes
say
you
that?
gotta go back in the video.
Yeah. I'll be like, oh.
Yeah. Cause we talk so much. Sometimes we don't know what the hell we said. Sometimes. By the way, you chat too much on.
Whatever.
Yeah. So.
But it's true though.
I like when they do that.
Because we have to
you
go
said
back
this.
sometimes.
Yeah, we gotta go back and like, yo.
When did I say that? Yeah.
Like that. That's what we appreciate, you know, the conversation. But yeah, you can see. Keep up the good job and ride with us, you know, to this journey. You know what I'm saying? Grace don't see me now. Fashion Nova don't see First Lady now, but they will. Joyce Mack, holla at Fashion Nova first. We'll talk. But they don't see it now, but they will see us later. Right, First Lady?
Come on.
Huh.
I'm not gonna lie.
What, nice?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, wow, Fashion Nova see it.
Yeah, man.
Me then see me after give me a Fashion Nova like too, no? You don't do after the day. First Lady want me to do after the day, she think I'm gonna drive her crazy.
He gonna drive you crazy.
Why I'm gonna drive you crazy?
Because you gonna want, oh, I gotta get a new hat, I gotta get a new shoe, gotta get a new belt, gotta get a new shirt, gotta get a new pants. We don't got no money.
That's true. First they said to me off camera, you ain't doing shit. Because you gonna want everything with everything. You can't do after the day, because you want everything to match up with this and that, this, that.
All my after the days is stuff that I've had in my closet. Some of them have tag on it, some of them don't.
So what? I might have the same thing.
No.
Alright. Let's see.
No.
Want me to ask the family? Don't ask them? Oh, I ain't gonna ask them then.
Let me finish first. Because, excuse me. Yeah, I have clothes in my closet that I've had for years, since I was 19, 20, 25. They still fit. So why not?
That's true.
Some of them really shows the booty, the booty. So some of them still fit, so I put them together. I don't have to go out and go buy nothing. Richie, he gonna have to buy something every day for after the day. We ain't doing that.
Why I'm gonna buy something if they're gonna be giving it to me?
Who? When they give it to
sign
you, you wear it. Yes.
That's what I wanna do.
Yeah.
So I wait till they give me.
But not now, not until then. So this guy's crazy. He'll spend his last dime to get his pants.
The boss has spoken. I can't do that. I mean, so you can't see the outfit a day till Fashion Nova sign First Lady.
Fashion Nova might sign you first.
Fashion Nova not sign me mine.
Fashion Nova not pierce no mind, Michael.
Don't worry. They will soon. You know what I'm saying? They see talent, they see, you know what I mean?
Progression?
Yeah, they see progression. They see. You think they don't see?
No.
They see. But it's all good.
No dumpling.
You want more dumpling? I got a friend on that. I'm gonna pick up my dumpling now.
I should have took one.
How much did you pick up?
3.
And you only ate one?
Yeah, because I had.
And I ate 4?
Yeah, because I had some dumpling and some yuca.
And I had yuca, 2 pieces of yuca, banana.
Yeah.
You gotta do better
That's
than
a
that.
problem. You gotta do better than that. You yum too much, man.
No, you gotta do better than that.
No, you gotta do better than
I
that.
ate 4 dumplings, 2 pieces of different stuff.
Use a guide.
Everything.
And we force my food because you know more than me?
I want you for your food. Damn. I could swear you ate like 2 dumplings already.
I was about to.
This was delicious, I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't gonna lie either. I was about to eat another dumpling, and I was like, I like the yuca and the banana because I can smash it up in the gravy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Another hey, Kari, delicious meal.
Another delicious meal.
Mm-hmm.
Have you guys ever had goat with dumpling and banana? Because
they could don't even try it.
yeah, try it.
Try the goat.
If you guys have cooked curry goat before, you eat it with dumpling and banana. You just eat it with straight rice.
Mm-hmm.
I love curry goat or curry chicken or curry chicken foot with white rice.
Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite. But
It's sweet.
I like it with the yuca. See how soft it is?
Mm-hmm. Yuca nice.
Yuca nice, man.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. No. Don't worry. I didn't even finish eating yet. You're rushing for the word. So loud, family. Let me get there. Mm-hmm.
You really ain't talking that much today.
Eat my food. The lady tell me to shut up and don't talk.
Oh, who said that?
One lady. Family.
That's why in the comment section.
Family,
said,
someone in the comment. What they said?
the comment section said, shut up and just get to eating.
Shut up and get to eat it. Yeah, they didn't say nothing about stupid or nothing? Or just shut up and get to eat? Oh. At first they didn't want
Anybody in the comment section say something about stupid, they might get trace out.
Hey, first they didn't want to show me the person.
So, I just
said, okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, it was like, when are you going to shut up and start eating?
Yes, see? I told you. Something like that. Shut up and not stupid. Sorry. Shut up and start eating, yeah.
That's what I said. I just said it in the form of a question. And I put never. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, look at that, yo. Look at me 10 years ago. I tell you something.
Don't do it. It's all good. Appreciate them though. Those are people call bad mind.
Wow.
And you never saw them again, huh?
Never.
Okay. Bad mind, people. Good. Bad mind. That's not good. Don't ever do that. Don't ever bad mind somebody. We spoke about this. You don't know what these people did to get there. Shut up again.
It's a food nice, man.
Oh. Bomba. Look, my father right in my juice.
Right in his juice. What's the odds?
That's crazy. It's like crazy stuff happening today.
They want good money.
Yeah, no, today's not a good day for me. I don't like that because everything going wrong. Okay, family, let me see what I got for y'all good people today. Confuse them with your silence. Amaze them with your actions. Then before I call. Yes, I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna say it again, family.
Food bad.
Confuse them with your silence. And amaze them with your actions. That's right.
If I tell you this food wasn't good, I know I said it several times. This food is that good. Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's how I do it sometimes. And sometimes I play like I don't got no sense. Make them think.
Yes, Lord.
And say, yo. Yeah. But they don't know what's going on. We appreciate y'all. Thanks for coming, talking with us and chilling. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, I know some of y'all is new, so y'all just come out the bushes now and just come watch our show and come talk, because I know y'all want to do it. You know what I'm saying? We are the greedy couple, and they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.